Hi, hi! Chongwita, the monkey wife. This is a story of the Philippines. So, once there was a king who had three sons named Pedro, Juan, and Diego. One day, the king sent his sons out of the kingdom to find their soulmates. After days of walking, the youngest son, Juan, met an old man. The old man gave Juan some bread and told him to go to a palace which was a mile away. He said, "At the entrance of the gate, you must divide this bread among the monkeys which are guarding the gate, and only then you will be able to enter the palace." So Juan took the bread and followed whatever the old man had advised him. After entering the gate, he saw a big monkey, and when he was frightened and about to run away, the monkey called him and said, "Juan, I know that your purpose in coming here was to find your soulmate, and my daughter Chongwita will marry you." Then immediately the bishop of the monkeys was called, and Juan and Chongwita were married. After a few days, Juan wanted to go to the place where he and his brothers had agreed to meet. So Chongwita's mother said, "If you're going away, take Chongwita along with you." Although Juan was ashamed to go with Chongwita because she was a monkey, he had no choice but to take her along. When Juan met his two brothers and their beautiful wives at the appointed place, he couldn't say a word. The brothers noticed the gloomy appearance of their youngest brother and asked, "What's the matter? Where is your wife, Juan?" And when Juan showed his wife, the brothers were very much surprised. Brother Pedro exclaimed, "Oh, what happened to you? Did you even lose your head?" Juan could say nothing, and they all began the journey back to the kingdom to meet their father. Upon knowing that one of his sons had married a monkey, the king fainted. But after he recovered to his senses, he said to himself, "This misfortune is God's will. I must therefore bear it with patience." But the king felt it as a disgrace that his youngest son has brought to the family. So one day he called his three sons and said, "Tell your wives that I want each one of them to make an embroidered coat for me. The one who fails to do this within 3 days will be put to death." Now the king issued this order in hope that Chongwita would be put to death because he thought that she would not be able to make the coat. But what happened was something else. On the third day, his daughters-in-law presented to him the coats they had made, and the one embroidered by Chongwita was the prettiest of all. At last, thinking of no other way, the king summoned his three sons and daughters-in-law and said, "The husband of the one who shall be able to draw the prettiest picture on the walls of my chamber within 3 days shall succeed me on the throne." And at the end of 3 days, the pictures were finished. When the king went to inspect them, he found that Chongwita's picture was by far the prettiest, and so Juan was crowned the king. A great feast was held in the palace in honor of the new king. Then certain incidents take place, and then the story ends when Chongwita transforms into a beautiful woman. Since the story is from the Philippines, the values of inner beauty are explained in this. Chongwita may have been a monkey, but she was skilled and beautiful on the inside. And that is why it is said that the people in Philippines believe that everyone is good on the inside, and they value trust and relationships mostly among the family members. There is a joke about another wife. Once a married man was at work and he said to his colleague, This work is getting busier day by day. My wife's birthday is next week. I'm afraid if I'm going to forget the date. What is the best way to remember my wife's birthday? The experienced colleague said, "Forget the date once. She will make sure you will never forget the date for the rest of your life." Yesterday, I was unable to narrate the epic story, which I usually do it on the weekends. So I have done the epic story today. It is the Korean epic, The Fable of a Boxed Up Governor. So I've just uploaded the video now, just before uploading this. So make sure you watch the Korean epic as well. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.